Hi beauties, welcome back. So let's go straight into doing this video. The first tips that I'm going to give you is to make sure that your skincare routine is very simple. Have it in mind you are doing a 10 minutes makeup look. So if you try to pile so many skincare products on your face, you did not have time for the makeup for the skincare product to sit on your face before doing your makeup. And with that being said, when they don't set on your face and you start applying your makeup is not going to last. So the next tip that I'm going to give you is to make sure that you have it in mind. I am doing a 10 minutes makeup look. 10 minutes makeup look is not going to be a full face of makeup. So have that in mind. The next tip that I'm going to give you is to make sure that you gather all the makeup products, all the makeup tools like brushes that you use to do your makeup, so that you don't keep running back and forth trying to get your makeup product because you just have 10 minutes. And then the next beauty is to use products that are very easy to use. For example, I am using my eyebrow pencil from Catrice. I love using a retractable pencil. If I am to use a pencil that I need to be sharpened, that means I'm going to go back and forth trying to sharpen the pencil, or maybe if I'm using a brow gel, you are going to dip into the brow gel, apply, go back, dip in, take off the excess, and it is taking time. So in my opinion, I prefer whenever I'm doing a quick look, whenever I'm doing a 10 minutes makeup look, I love using a retractable pencil. And then beauties, the next that I'm going to tell you is while doing 10 minutes makeup look, try to use a tinted moisturizer, a BB cream or a CC cream. They are like moisturizer, and the good thing about it comes with a SPF, so you don't need to apply your sunscreen separate, because when we apply our sunscreen, we have to let it to set before going to other products on our face. So this BB cream from Bobbi Brown, even though they have discontinued it, there are so many BB cream out there in the market, so many CC cream, so many tinted moisturizer. They are like moisturizer, but they have a hint of a foundation to it. They blend so well. As you can see, you don't even believe that I apply something on my face because it looks like skin, because that is why they call it tinted moisturizer. It is a moisturizer that has a hint of a foundation to it, like I said before. So beauties, and the next again that I'm going to tell you is why concealing your face. Know that this is a 10 minutes makeup look. We are trying to enhance our face. We are not trying to do a full face. So check out where your face really need to be spot correct, like applying concealer under your eyes. If you have maybe some dark spots that your tinted moisturizer couldn't cover, that is when you can use your concealer to spot correct those places. But for me, I don't have any much issues on my face, so I decided to use concealer only under my eyes for me to have that I am awake effect on my face. Okay, 10 minutes makeup don't have to be too much product on our face. We don't have time. We just want to like look fresh, and then we are out of the door. For example, the brow that I just did, if you have a full brow, there is no need for using brow pens. So just make sure that you shape and trim your brow prior before applying your makeup product. Yes. And another thing, beauties, is when it comes to 10 minutes makeup look, you don't have time to start contouring, start bronzing. I decide to choose blush instead of applying my contour and my bronzer, because there is no time for it. When it comes to 10 minutes makeup look, it is all about enhancing. We are not trying to cover, we are not trying to do a full face. So now, as you can see, I use one powder all over my face. instead of me to use a setting powder to set my concealer, I decided to use one powder. This is MAC Studio Fix powder, their old version. I decided to use it to run it all over my face. And for the fact that my concealer is 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, even when I apply the same powder all over my face, you can still see that my under eyes is still highlighted. So beauties, like I said before, you can choose between blush, bronzer, or contour. I decided to go for blush because I am a blusher girl, just to add warm, just to add, life onto my skin again. So if you are a bronzer type of person, you can skip brush. Sorry, you can. Oh, I cannot even do my voice over this morning. If you are a bronzer type of person, beauties, you can skip your blush, you can skip your contour and go for bronzer. But because I love blush, that is why I also applied it on my eyes. Okay, that is another thing with 10 minutes makeup. You try to use product that you can multi-use, like use it so many purposes. Okay, look at me jamming to my music. Now, beauties, I am trying to, sorry, apply my mascara. If you have long natural lashes, there is no need for mascara, but because I barely have lashes on my eyes, that is why I am applying my mascara. If you do have, skip this method. You can even use this time that I am applying my mascara to apply your eyeshadow. If you are the eyeshadow type of person, you can even run your bronzer on your eyes or even your blush on your eyes. Okay, it's all about skipping, it's all about adding. So if you have a full lashes, there is no need for mascara. Or maybe if you put on falsies, maybe prior before applying the 10 minutes makeup look, you can skip mascara. So that is one good thing about 10 minutes makeup look. It has to look like skin. It has to be quick. It has to be fast. And another thing again is why, let me go back to tinted moisturizer. They blend so well into the skin. Unlike when you are trying to use a foundation. Foundation takes time to blend, honestly. If you did not take time to blend your foundation, you will see uneven application. So that is why tinted moisturizer. So beauties, as you can see here, I am applying my lip gloss. You can go with your lip balm. You can go with your Vaseline. But I am using my MAC lip gloss, clear lip gloss on my lips, as you can see. And then there is something that I did at the end of the video. If you are that type that feel like, okay, my face is looking simple, you can opt for a bold lipstick. You can apply a purple, you can apply a red, you can apply a pink, depending on what you are aiming to go for that moment. So just take a look. Can you believe this is just a 10 minutes makeup look? Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you, beauties, I want to wipe off the clear gloss to apply my red lipstick from Lip Bar, just to tell you that even with 10 minutes, you can still look good. Why my face is looking simple, my face is looking bare, I decided to opt for a bold lips. This bold red lipstick will make your face look like you invested so much on your face, you apply so much on your face, even though we barely did something on our face. So that is one good thing about bold lipstick. Just mascara, tinted moisturizer, and when you apply a red lipstick, it takes your makeup from 10 to 50, honestly. Yeah, so you all know whenever I'm applying my lipstick, I'm always precise, just to make sure that I get every area, every corners of my lips. I love connecting the edges, the corner of my lips, because it looks so unprofessional when you are talking to someone and they notice that there are gaps on your lips where you did not apply lipstick. So it is very important when you are applying to connect the edges of your lips so that it will look beautiful and well applied. So beauties, like I was saying, 10 minutes makeup look, you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to apply so many products on your face. Keep practicing to master a 10 minutes makeup look. It doesn't have to be 1 hour. Makeup don't have to be 1 hour. Makeup don't have to be 2 hours. You can do it within 10 minutes, within 15 minutes, within 20 minutes, okay? So beauty, that is it. So because I am oily girl, I want to set my face. I love using this L'Oreal 3 minutes setting mist to 3 seconds, sorry, setting mist to set my face. I've already finished one bottle, so this is the new bottle, as you can see. So I love applying generous amount of makeup because this is me with oily skin. So beauties, can you see everything? You can see my blush, you can see my lips, you can see my brow. And mind you, I did not use concealer to clean my brows. That is why I love using retractable pencil. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, beauties, and if you do, please kindly give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I am trying to show you here my favorite tinted strobe cream and BB cream. These are my 3 favorites, okay? So thank you all, beauties, all for watching my videos, and then I will catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there till my next video. Bye bye. Yes.